I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here is your latest weather on demand forecast. Well, look at these lows last night, Friday. Very chilly and, yeah, even unseasonable, you can say, as they're running a good 20 degrees below average in spots, particularly in the highest elevations. -13 was our low last night at the Weather Service. Everybody else between 5 to as much as 10 degrees below zero. And actually, the coldest spots were Champion, -18, and Doe Lake, -18. But elsewhere, we have between -12 to about -15 in some of the ice boxes in the UP. The highest today, though, we hit freezing, 32 degrees, and that's pretty much right aligned with average, but of course the low now is 9 and rapidly moving higher as we progress through March. Records there were 53 and -15 degrees, and that was done about 20 years ago. But notice the different story tonight from this bitterly cold pattern that we are getting away from. This is exactly why we're doing so, though. Strong southeast winds are going to boost our temperatures tonight and keep them pretty much in check and really hold them steady to where we've seen them throughout the course of the day, and actually may even see warmer spots tonight than we had over the course of the last 12 hours or so. But in any case, the clouds are on the increase, especially from the west, as rain is not coming quite yet, but definitely precipitation is on the move. As the coldest spots will be in the east, as the clouds will be thinnest there. But notice this really sharp trough that's now moving off to the east there. Very cold temperatures as well. But we really heat things up across the central portion of the United States. These are current readings. We're seeing 60s, not too far away from Nebraska there, and of course in Oklahoma, there has some severe thunderstorms this evening as well. But for us, we're talking about just increasing clouds, and with those showers, really those are going to be hanging around, especially the light drizzle for Sunday, particularly south and east. So track this out for you here. The high pressure, which gave us those beautiful skies on Saturday, will be a thing of the past, but that's exactly why. Very strong high pressure. And as that collapses off to the east there, these pressure gradients become really tight, and that means a lot of wind. And notice how the winds are going to be out of the south. That's going to boost our temperatures on Sunday. And the winds are going to be with us throughout the entire day, really throughout the first couple days of the week, as a matter of fact. But here's noon tomorrow. Notice this is a little bit overdone, by the way, but we do see a little bit of the green, and that is going to be very light drizzle, especially off to the south and east. But what's not overdone is as we progress through Sunday into Monday, as we can see the drizzle transitioning to plain old rain showers by the time Monday morning rolls around. And this will be induced by this warm front here, which means temperatures will really begin to spike well above average. Matter of fact, running almost 20 degrees above average. But that warming trend does begin tomorrow for some of us, especially across the western portion of the UP. Highs will make it into the low 50s with a couple of peaks of sun. I'm a little bit optimistic on this. Not so much in the east, though, where drizzle and clouds will mainly keep our temperatures down into the mid-30s. And winds will be between 12 and 25 miles per hour as well. But as really the core of the cold continues to shift off to the east. Your TV 6-day forecast now doesn't feature any more Arctic intrusions like we saw this past week or so, but it does feature warming temps. More of a seesaw March week here ahead for us. We do see some rain on Monday, very actually steady rainfall beginning Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning. Will be followed by a cold front. Early daytime highs on Tuesday in the 40s. Then we tumble back into the 30s and then near 30 by Tuesday night. Could be change over to some snow showers on Wednesday, and really no significant snowfall this week until Friday. Could see a couple inches with that Clipper system.